Welcome to our review of the compressed air duster. Are you tired of using disposable air cans that are not only expensive, but also harm the environment? Let's take a closer look at this powerful and eco-friendly cleaning tool. With its high-speed brushless motor, this electric air duster boasts a maximum speed of 180,000 RPM, reaching air speeds of up to 50 meters per second and a maximum wind force of 5 ounces. It's perfect for cleaning computers, keyboards, air conditioners, and outdoor surfaces. The compressed air duster comes with 3 nozzles and 2 types of brushes, making it versatile and suitable for various cleaning tasks. It's also great for boosting fire for BBQs, inflating mattresses and balloons, and serving as a cooling fan during hot weather. One of the standout features of this air duster is its extended battery life. With a high-capacity 9,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 120 minutes of continuous use in low-speed mode and 70 minutes in normal speed mode. Plus, it includes a Type-C fast-charging cable for quick recharging within 3 hours. The compressed air duster is not only powerful, but also cost-effective. Unlike compressed air cans, it doesn't produce harmful substances during cleaning, safeguarding your electronic devices. And with its one-time investment, you'll save money in the long run. Measuring just 6 inches in length and featuring a lightweight, cordless design, this mini electric dust blower is incredibly portable. Its ergonomic design includes a silicone handle for a comfortable grip during extended use. Whether you're a homeowner, car owner, or tech enthusiast, the compressed air duster is a must-have tool for any cleaning task. Get yours today and experience the power of efficient cleaning. With its extended battery life, fast charging, and versatile uses, this compressed air duster is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to disposable air cans and hello to a cleaner, healthier environment. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the compressed air duster or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tutorials.